Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. Check out this stuff called Wipe New. It is a trim restorer, and basically all you do is open the pack, pull out the little cloth, and wipe it. Now, I first clean the trim with rubbing alcohol and to get all any oil or grease or whatever's on it, to get that off. And, you know, let's do this stuff. As you can see, this side of the truck's already been done. You can see the difference right here. I have done the side, the driver's side, and you can see the front of the bumper, how gray it is. And that's a huge difference. It brings it back to new looking. Again, this stuff is toxic, so, wear a mask if you're doing this in the garage and wear gloves just to be safe. But you can see how gray this is. It really needs some help. And that's what this stuff is supposed to do. It's supposed to fix it. So let's get it done. So what you do is you take out one of these packets right here, and you just tear the bag open. Now don't go sniffing this stuff, it's really strong. Then you pull this out right here, this rag, and it's really soaked. So always wear gloves because it's stinky stuff. And there you have it. I've done the front bumper. We'll come back to that, but let's continue on the other side. So what do you think of this stuff? I think it works great. It's really strong in odor, so you might even want to wear a mask if you're going to be doing this in close quarters, like in your garage. I'm outside, so it really doesn't matter. But this would even be good to restore your wheel tubs. If I had more, I would do that. So check that out. Pretty good. Looks good. You remember what it looked like up here and back here? I mean, that's some great restoration. And I'll put a link under the video in the description if you want to check this stuff out. Well, hope you like this video of me using this Rust-Oleum Wipe New trim restorer. We'll see how long it lasts after a couple of hard rains and driving it around town. Looks good. Restored it to like jet black. I just had enough to finish this truck. I mean, I had to do a lot. It wasn't just the bumpers, it was the trim on the side and the wheel arches and all that stuff. This would be great on the Tundra as well, to do the front bumper, especially where I've added the bumper shells to cover the chrome in the front, any of that black stuff, the flares, it would work really well. The flares, the flares are holding up well, but when it comes to the dark color, but the bumper shells are faded. So I'm going to do those too, but I'll need to order another box. I went through this box pretty fast, changed my gloves a lot. This stuff is some sort of petroleum distillate. Be careful. It's like, smells like paint thinner, but it works good, goes on good. So I'll put a link under the video in the description. Check it out. And, if you would, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And, I will see you next time. Oh, and leave a comment. Comment on this stuff. If you've used it before, how long does it last? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks, y'all. See ya.